Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Connor and I'm a seasoned binary options trader. I'm here to help you learn how to successfully trade binary options so that you can make money quickly and easily. Trading binary options is simple, easy and incredibly affordable if you know what you are doing. That's why I'm here to share with you my most profitable trading strategies that have helped me become a successful trader. Even if you are new to trading, don't worry, I've got you covered. As a member of our closed Telegram group, you will receive free signals that are 90% accurate, so you can make informed trading decisions. Let's start our trading session and make some money together. Grab a cup of coffee, relax, and see how easy it is.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you'll find the most profitable and straightforward strategies for trading binary options. So if you are new in trading, and then my video and my YouTube channel is gonna help you a lot. Your likes and subscriptions are the best thanks from me. Let's get down to the charts. This is the pocket option trading platform. Today at the weekend, all the currency pairs have the OTC status. The main benefit of these pairs is that they all have the highest payout rate. So we're gonna need some indicators in order to increase the chance for success on binary options. Let's consider two indicators. The first one is gonna be the RSI. There it is. It's located in the lower part of the chart. We are gonna trade on a 1 minute time frame, and I'll demonstrate you the most relevant settings. First of all, we set the period to 5 here, and it is. We don't need to change something else, so let's take a look at the indicator itself. We see the green moving average here, and there are also these numbers. The upper one is the overbought zone, and it means that if the moving average crosses this level, then the price is in the overbought zone. And overall, after this move, the price RSI has to go down. That happens most of the time. And here the lower number, the level 30, this is the oversold zone, and when the RSI turns out in this zone, it tends to go to the upside. This is the main principle of its work. And when we also have the level 50 here, this is the middle value, and when the RSI is above this level, it indicates that the upward prevails. And when the RSI is below 50, then it tells us that the downward dominates. Basically, on a 1 minute time frame, the level 50 is not that important. We could add one more RSI, guys, and set the period to 20 here. There we go, and now it becomes clearer. So when the RSI is above the level 50, it indicates that the price has the upward dynamics. When the RSI is below it, it indicates the downward dynamics. So I think you got it, guys, more or less. So let's eventually set the period to 5. Well, the period 5 shows us different market noises, which helps us to have more accurate trade entries. Let's move on to the second indicator, guys. It's gonna be the Bollinger Bands. And basically, the combination of these two indicators is a very good trading strategy. And basically, there are special settings for a 1 minute time frame. We set the period to 13 and the deviation to 2, and now I'm gonna explain you why. If you look at this price zone, we see that the price goes beyond the boundaries of the Bollinger Bands, so that's it's exactly, let's figure it out. The Bollinger Bands consist of the upper moving average the lower one, and the middle moving average with the Bollinger Bands itself. So this moving average are similar to the ones on the RSI has. And why we use these settings, why we set the period to 13 and the deviation to 2, because when you analyze the charts and look for the trade entry, we need the price to move within this channel all the time. Of course, a few candles can break through, but no more than 5% of them, and as you can see, there are more than 95% of candles are inside the channel. And here we see several wicks that broke through, but these are exceptions. We trade on a 1 minute time frame. We have the best settings for it. So I've explained all the details of the indicator settings. So how can we determine trade entries? We are gonna look at the RSI and Bollinger Bands. So look, when there is the touch of the lower boundary of the channel. Now we consider the situation when opening along. So the touch of the lower boundary of the channel is gonna be the first signal. When we see the touch right here, I mean the crossing of the level 13 takes place, the oversold zone and the breakout to the upside. This is the signal number 2, guys. This is the first one and this is the second one. When you see something like this, you should open a long position without second through, and you can see that on the chart. The touch has happened, the price starting going up, and look at these green candles. There are 1 minute candles and we open 1 minute positions. This one lasted 3 minutes, guys, and I want you to understand that if we open a long here, we will be in profits. Let's consider the short position option. I'll point out the workspace. So here, the touch of the upper boundary happened, and this is the signal number 1. Basically, we see the wall picture like instantly. The moving average crosses the level 70. It's the overbought zone, so the crossing top down, and this is the signal number 2. And basically, you should realize that if we opened a short here, the price goes downwards. Look at these 4 candles, 4 minutes of downwards movement, and we have to open a short here. So pay attention, guys. We open 1 minute positions and basically we will be in profits again. Like you see, the strategy is very simple, and let's put our theoretical knowledge into practice. I got $1,000 on the balance, and let's open several positions. I'm gonna demonstrate this strategy in use. Let's begin in the trading session and find the better trade entry. So look, guys, let's open a long position here. I'll point out the workspace. Actually, the touch hasn't happened here yet. This is not quite accurate trade entry. Basically, there is the first signal on the RSI. The price is getting out of the oversold zone, and there it is, the breakout from the bottom up. Here we see a nice correction, and basically, considering the nature of the price movement, we can consider that the price reversal did happen here, as well at the touch of the lower boundary of the channel. And this is the second signal. Actually, this one is not 100% sure, but still, we watch the RSI, the price would dynamics and open along, and we are gonna wait for the outcome. Like you see, the price has been closed in profits. On a 1 minute time frame, we open 1 minute position. So we opened correctly, and the candle reached this level, and overall the touch of the lower boundary should eventually happen. But anyway, we opened correctly based on the signals. And this is the benefit of trading on a 1 minute time frame. So look, the price has gone down here, however we are in profits. Let's open a few more positions in order to consolidate our profit, find the next currency pair. Look, we open a short position here. And here we see a clear signal, the touch of the upper boundary of the channel. So this is the first signal, and here's the crossing of the overbought zone on the RSI from the top down, and this is a signal to open a short position according to the strategy. Let's wait for the outcome. There are 15 seconds left before the closing, and basically we already see a good breakdown. Less than 10 seconds, guys. And as you can see, the position has been closed with a profit. Actually, it was decided here. We got two signals. We opened the positions according to my strategy, and the position is in profit. So let's open the final position in order to consolidate today's gains. Let's continue analyzing. Take a look, guys. You should open a long position here. I will point out the workspace and explain the principle of trade entry. Look, the touch of the lower boundary of the channel has happened here. This is signal number 1. If you look at the RSI, the crossing of the oversold from bottom up has happened, which is the second signal. So we've noticed the signals. Let's wait for the outcome. Like you see, the breakout has eventually happened at the end, and the position is in profit. You see a nice pump here. Meanwhile, there was the weak, nice correction. The strategy did not disappoint, and there was the crossing here, the touch of the boundary, and the position is in profit. It took us like 3 trades to get $25-20 in profits, and as you see, this is not a trick. Look at this nice pump here. Even if we opened a little bit later, we would end up in profits anyway. Let's get down to withdrawal. I'm gonna withdraw the profit, $25-20. Press the continue button. As simple as that. I'll attach the screen that it's done. And like I told, this is really simple. I showed you how the strategy works in real trading, but by the way, the breakout is still happening here. So this works perfectly. Try it yourself, and this is that we've managed to reach today. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave the comments down below, and bye bye.